Imagine a world where logistics teams don't just react but lead, where every shipment is tracked, every delay predicted, and every opportunity seized. That's the future Dockflow brings to life. As the first ever logistics enablement platform, Dockflow turns supply chain complexities into smooth, efficient systems. With Dockflow, you're always in control. Real-time tracking keeps you informed, while advanced AI predicts ETAs, optimizes routes, and ensures your operations stay ahead of schedule. From tracking CO2 emissions and finding sustainable shipping solutions to safeguarding temperature-sensitive cargo, Dockflow redefines precision, sustainability, and reliability in logistics. Dockflow is an all-in-one suite of tools that streamlines every aspect of logistics: real-time GPS tracking, temperature and humidity monitoring, CO2 tracking, and automated demurrage alerts ensure you're always ahead. Seamlessly integrate Internet of Things devices, automate workflows with no-code tools, and share shipment updates effortlessly. Dockflow also centralizes reporting, risk management, and document sharing, enabling seamless collaboration between forwarders, shippers, and consignees. But Dockflow doesn't stop at visibility. It empowers action. Automated processes eliminate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing human error. Proactive alerts go beyond preventing costly fees like demurrage. They analyze critical data, prioritize actionable insights, and ensure seamless transitions. At every stage, Dockflow keeps you ahead of potential disruptions and in full control. And collaboration? Dockflow connects forwarders, shippers, and consignees seamlessly, fostering a network where communication flows as easily as the goods themselves. Dockflow isn't just a platform, it's your partner in building smarter, more efficient logistics. For teams who demand control, accuracy, and innovation, Dockflow is the future, delivered today.